Ron here with Back 40 Farms. Today, with the old bride and son's help, we are going to make noodles for an awesome Sunday dinner, spaghetti. But the noodles you get in the store, crap, full of poison, gross. This is the best tasting, healthiest noodles you can get, and they're handmade, and I'm gonna show you quickly how we make them. We gotta start off first with some heritage wheat. It's non-GMO, no pesticides, no nothing. It is super good, it's not bleached. And that is what makes most noodles in the store poisonous to you. Ground beef that we raised here on the farm, and sausage we raised on the farm. And of course our own marinara, all tomatoes we grew here on the farm. Just hand mix that, and this is the fun part if you like to play in dough. See, I am doing something, although it's very little. Because this takes me back to like Play-Doh and silly putting. You guys are old enough, maybe not, to remember that. But we're getting close to the fun part, so stay with us. It's pretty darn fun.